Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to your class 2 science class. So today we will discuss on your PT2 syllabus. Hope you all know about this syllabus. I already told it previously, and you all get the routine of your exam. Yes. So this 8th chapter, food for good health, and the next 9th chapter, air around us. You know these two chapters will be held on your PT2 exam. So hope you all prepared for it. And if you have any questions from this chapter, you can ask me today. Okay? Yes. Yes, Pratushna. So, food for good health. Today we will discuss on this chapter. Take your copy book with you. I will ask some questions to you, and you have to answer me. And you can copy those question answer in your copy book also. So, let's start, everyone. Your first question is, food gives us dash to work and play. To work and play. Food gives us dash to work and play. So everyone give me answer. Only Shrestha give me the answer, and others Pratushna, Purbayan, Samriddha, Upasho give me answer fast. Yes, very good. That is energy. Very good. Nihan, Samriddha, very good. Snigdha, give me answer. Very good, Snigdha. So that is energy. Food gives us energy to work and play. To work and play. Next, question number 2. Food is essential for our dash. Food is essential for our dash. Yes. And others? Very good. So, Snigdha and others give me answer. Samriddha. Everyone. Nihan. Nihan gave the answer. Rithojit. Somagni. Rithojit, Somagni. So that is growth. That is growth. Growth. So food is essential for our growth. Food is essential for our growth. Okay. Now go to the next questions. Give some example of energy giving foods. Give 3 example of energy giving food. Give 3 example of energy giving food. Yes, Pratushna, Shrestha, and others, Snigdha, Purbayan, everyone give me answer. First show, give me answer. The example of energy giving food. Yes, very good. Very good. So that is rice, wheat, potato, butter, cheese, sugar, etc. So those are the energy giving food. Those are the energy giving food. Okay, now go to the next question. Did you all copy this question answer in your copybook? I have to erase it now. Let me know fast. Yes, okay. I am now erasing it and go to the question number 4. Give 3 examples of body building foods. Body building food. Now give me example of body building food. Very good, Shrestha. And others? Very good. So that is egg, fish, flesh, milk, pulses. So those are the body building foods. You know, they help us grow and they build our bones and muscles. So that's why we call them body building foods. We call them body building foods because they build our bones and muscles. Now go to the next question. Question number 5, and that is dash food prevent us from falling sick. Which food prevent us from falling sick? Give me answer fast. Which food prevent us from falling sick? Very good, Shrestha, Susan, Pratushna. That's protective foods. That is protective foods. Snigdha, where is your answer? Snigdha, Purmayon, Rithojit, Shomagni, give me answer fast. So protective food prevent us from falling sick, and it also help us to stay healthy. It also help us to stay healthy. Okay, now go to the next question. Question number 6. Water helps us to dash the food. Give me answer now. Water helps us to dash the food. Very good, Shrestha. Sujan, Purbayon, very good. So it's digest. It's digest. So water helps us to digest the food. Okay, now I have to erase the board now. Hope you all copy those question answered in your copy book. Next question is, dash is a complete food for a newborn baby. Dash is a complete food for a newborn baby. Which is the complete food for a newborn baby? Yes, very good, Susan, Nihan, Shrestha and others. Snigdha, right here. Write in the chat box. Snigdha. Yes, so milk is a complete food for a newborn baby. Next question is, which vegetable is eaten raw? Which vegetables are eaten raw? Give 2 or 3 example. 2 or 3. Upasho, you can see the video in the YouTube again. Yes, so that is carrot, radish, tomato, onion, and there are also some examples which those vegetables we can eat this raw. Yes, very good everyone. You all gave the correct answer. Nihan eats radish. Nihan, I saw your answer. Now go to the next question, question number 9. That we should eat food. We should eat food. We should eat food at a dash time every day. On which time you should eat your food, you should take your meal. On which time? Yes, Shrestha, Nihan, very good. Susan, Pratushna. So we should eat food at a dash time every day. At a fixed time. At a fixed time. So we should eat food at a fixed time every day. Have you write it in your copybook? Have you completed? Let me know first. Next, question number 10. How much water should we drink every day? How much water should we drink every day? Yes, and others? So 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. 6 to 8 glasses. That is your answer. 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay? Okay, so today we discuss on this chapter only food for good health, and your next chapter which is in your PT2 syllabus, that's air around us, we will discuss on your next online class. Okay, and till now you have to till then you have to read those 2 chapters very attentively for your exam, and if you have any kind of problem you can ask me. So today from this chapter food for good health, have you any problem? Have you anything which you didn't understand? Let me know. Okay. Okay, Susan, Purbayon, very good, Shrestha. Okay everyone, so read your chapters very attentively, and best wishes for all of you for your exam. And that's all. And who are present today, please write here P.